So today we will read grade 2 passages to improve reading comprehension and reading fluency. So are you ready? Let us start. Okay, we will read together. Dan's bag. Dan has a bag. It has a mat. It has buns. It has bananas. But it has ants too. Ants, ants, says Dan. Dan lets the bag go. Okay, let's read it again. Dan's bag. Dan has a bag. It has a mat. It has buns. It has bananas. But it has ants too. Ants, ants, says Don. Don lets the bag go. Okay, this time I want you to read the story. Okay, let us try to answer some comprehension question because you were able to read it well. Okay, number 1. What is the name of the boy in the story? What is the name of the boy in the story? Is it A. Don, B. Alf, C. Ants? Okay, kindly choose your answer. Okay, very good. The answer is Dan. Okay, let's have number 2. What does he have in his bag? What does he have in his bag? A mat, B, an apple, or C, an orange? What does he have in his bag? A mat, B, an apple, or C, an orange? Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, very good. Letter a mat. Let's move on to number 3. What will he do? Is it A, have a nap, B, have a party, or C, have a snack? What will he do? Have a nap, have a party, or have a snack? Okay, very good. He wants to have some snacks. Okay, number 4. Why does he let his bag go? Why does he let his bag go? Is it A, he is afraid, B, he is glad, or C, he is mad? A, he is afraid, B, he is glad, or C, he is mad? Okay, very good. He is afraid. He is afraid of the ants inside his bag. Number 5. Which sentence tells us why it is a good idea for the boy to let go of his bag? Which sentence tells us why it is a good idea for the boy to let go of his bag? Is it A, so the ants can't get the food, B, so the ants cannot bite him, or C, so the ants will be free? Is it A, so the ants cannot get the food, B, so the ants cannot bite him, or C, so the ants will be free? Okay, very good. Letter B, so that the ants cannot bite him.